When I grow up, I want to be just a kid. Today I'm going to teach you how to do baking art. First, choose your favorite picture. Peel it off the paper and stick it on the metal plate. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not easy. You may need your parents to help you. Remember to press hard and make sure it sticks well. Now we fill the colors. Don't squeeze too much or it will be messy. You can use my special technique. Squeeze and spread. Remember to cap the bottles so the paint doesn't dry up. Close them tight. Now it's time to bake it. Put in the toaster for 2 minutes. Not too long or it will become black. Wait patiently. It's done. Be careful. The toaster is really hot. Ask your parents to take it out for you. Leave it out to cool. When it's not hot anymore, peel it off. Ta-da! You got it! You can stay on the mirror or fridge. Oh, and one more thing. If you make a mistake while painting, don't worry, be happy. You can use a cotton bud to fix it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.